You're watching Adventure Sean, where tonight it's time for another video here from my trip to Tenerife. I'm absolutely loving it so far, so much to see and discover. If you haven't already, check out the Tenerife playlist packed with vlogs here on Adventure Sean. Now tonight, we've made our way about a 15-minute drive from where we are staying in Playa de las Americas down here to the Hard Rock Hotel, and to come and see, to make sure there's no traffic coming over before I cross, to come and see an absolutely awesome rooftop bar, and also have a bit of a look around the hotel as well. Now the Hard Rock's only actually been here for a few years, and yeah, it looks really interesting from the outside. Very different to your kind of Hard Rock hotels that you see in other places around the world. Looks like your typical kind of Spanish hotel, but it's got an awesome rooftop bar, so we'll go and have a look. So as you can see, you've got the huge Hard Rock Cafe signage at the top there. That's one of the towers, and there's another one just next to it on the right hand side there as well. You've got a small little resort around here with lots of different shops, restaurants and bars. But yeah, it looks very nice, doesn't it? Of course, we're right down near the seafront, so there's going to be some awesome views. And the plan was to come down here tonight, get a nice drink, have a cocktail, and of course, see the sunset. Yeah, so why not? Let's go for it. I think the entrance is just over here on the left-hand side. Try and have a bit of a look around the pool area, show you that as well. And there we go, the Hard Rock Hotel. Yeah, it's huge, isn't it? I like the colour scheme. Lovely. It actually changes colour on the balconies as it gets higher, which is really cool. You know what it reminds me of? You know when you go to B&Q or like any kind of DIY shop, and you kind of get them little cards with different colours on for what to paint your walls with, and then you can pick, oh, I'll have that one. Well, that's what it looks like, doesn't it? All the different shades all the way up. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, cross back over down here, and we'll go and check it out. The Hard Rock Hotel here in Tenerife. Here we go then, there's the entrance sign, and here's Mum just here. How are you doing?
I'm alright. I'm looking forward to going up there actually.
Yeah,
Like up there.
got a glass elevator I believe,
Yeah.
get some nice views, and then we've got some a nice bar at the top with cocktails.
Yeah.
Got some cocktails ready and waiting, you alright there?
Yeah, it's been interesting.
Here's Dad. What's that? Oh, maybe, I don't know about that, yeah. Yeah, this is the entrance to the lobby, very nice. Here's a look then inside the lobby of the Hard Rock Hotel. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, it's the check-in desk over there. Bar area just over here as well. There's a piano there in the middle. And yeah, I'll have a look out the back first before, of course, heading up to the bar, the Sky Lounge, as it's known. Nice chilled out vibes in here. Well, it's gorgeous out the back here. You got a variety of different pools. There's a beach club somewhere down here as well. So yeah, private access to the beach, of course, for hotel guests. And yeah, there's the other tower. And you can just see the glass elevators. We're going to be going up to the top there, to the Sky Lounge. And yeah, we got some awesome views as the sun goes down. We might get a nice sunset tonight, or at least that's what we're hoping for anyway. Got this nice grass area here, some views of the mountains over there as well. Yeah, have a little stroll down here. It's always good to see, of course, Hard Rock, one of the most famous companies in the world for their restaurants and, of course, bars, hotels. And yeah, it's nice to see this here. Oh, this is nice round here. Look at the big palm trees and the views out to the ocean there as well. Outdoor dining terrace just off to the right, and the restaurant itself. Beautiful. Oh, I like the photo opportunity down here, the statue with the Hard Rock Hotel logo on. Yeah, all the signage is really nice as well. So you've got the Oasis Tower, which I think is the other one on the left. Nice planting around here as well. And the swimming pool just over here. It's lovely. Yeah, I could definitely stay here. It's a little bit of a different location, like I say, but this is very nice. The Eden Pool. You must be 18 years or older to enter this one. Oh, there's a pool bar over there as well. That's nice. You can see it said Hard Rock down there in the bottom of the pool as well, which is lovely. It's always nice having a bit of a stroll around hotels, isn't it, and just seeing what they're like. You've got all the beds around the side there as well. They're nice. And yeah, a nice little pool. It's not huge, this one. There's a bigger pool at the top there, I believe. And then yeah, you've got the bar area just there. And yeah, the Sky Bar, which is somewhere up at the top. Yeah, nice pool area. It's nice round here, isn't it?
Yes, but that pool's not as as nice as ours.
Oh, yeah, it's quite small, isn't it? Like, I think there's another one at the top though. This isn't the main pool, I don't think.
I like our pool better.
Yeah. It's nice views to see just over there. A bit of cleaning going on around here. That's it, get my brush out. Yeah, I do like the location of this with the palm trees. Yeah, the beach club's down that way, so I'll see if we can have a little look over there. Beautiful. So the beach club that's open to hotel guests is just down the bottom here, and you cross over the road and down to that side. So yeah, that's where you've got the huge pool, more bars, restaurants down there, and actually direct beach access down there onto the right hand side as well. So yeah, that's a really nice feature of stopping here. Well, it's very nice around here, lots of space. I do like how clean and fresh it all looks, very modern. And yes, time for the moment we've all been waiting for now. We're going over into the glass elevator that's going to take us up to the top and up to the rooftop bar. Here we go then, got a nice carpet as we come in just here. Here's Mum and Dad, you ready for a drink?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. So
After I've been up here on this lift.
yeah, so we're up to the 16th floor, which is the Sky Lounge. So here we go. Got the lift just round here. These are the glass elevators. It's going to be a proper Charlie in the Chocolate Factory moment, this is. So we'll wait for it to come down and we'll get inside. Here we go. Up to the 16th floor we go. Oh, very nice view. Look at that. So yeah, you can actually see across to Playa Las Americas over there. The decky. Oh, wow. Absolutely stunning as we go up to the 16th floor. So what's that, 160 foot? Oh, my ears have just popped as well. There's the other tower. Very squeaky floors. These are all the mountains, the water, the beach club down there. Beautiful. And here we go. Nice and quick. We have arrived. Here we go then. Welcome to the 16th Hard Rock Hotel Tenerife. Oh, look at this. Sun's shining straight through. And welcome out onto the balcony. Oh, here we go. Music's pumping up here. Oh, yes. This is nice. Oh, she's doing a little dance for your viewers. Oh, look at this. Lovely. Here we go then. Welcome to the 16th floor of the Hard Rock Hotel in Tenerife. The sun's going down over there. And look at this. Wow. The view is incredible out to the Atlantic Ocean. And yeah, you can see the resort as well. We're staying just over there. Of course, Los Cristianos, Decky, Las Americas. Wow, this is amazing up here. Perfect time to come up here as well when the sun's coming down. You don't need to be a hotel guest. Anyone's welcome up here. And look at this.
All I ask is the first song of the evening for me gets a nice little round of applause. Thank you, gracias. Thank you, my friends. Good evening and welcome. We're a little bit behind schedule tonight because we've had a private wedding. Somebody got married up here.
Fancy, here we go, look at this, got the nice fire down here as well.
Very nice indeed.
There's the bar over here. Now in terms of the bar, obviously if you wanted to you could go up and order there, I'd imagine. However, they do come over to you and yeah, what they do is they bring over like a menu on your phone kind of thing. You scan the QR code and then yeah, that means you can bring a menu up like that. And there's a look at the bar area. I tell you what, it is stunning up here. I love it. One of my favourite places in Tenerife already. Let's look at the other pools just down there and the rest of the hotel complex. Obviously the reception building down the bottom here. Amazing views over to the volcano. Wow. Oh, this is perfect. I love it. Woo! I love it. All the seating around here as well. Oh, it's so nice. Lovely. Some nice ambient lighting around the side as well. Oh, and here come the drinks. So yeah, I'll talk more about these now for you. Right then, so how do you get a drink up here? Well, they'll come over with like a little board, you scan it with your phone, and of course it brings up a menu just here. You can have it in either Spanish or English. Obviously we'll press English down the bottom. You can see all the different drinks that are available. I've gone for a cocktail, I've gone for a nice porn star martini. It seems like most of the cocktails are €13. To be honest, it's not a massive collection, but you can just flick through there and see all the difference. There's quite a lot of favourites on there, to be honest, which is really good to see. then yeah, you can go back, of course look around the menu and see yeah, all the things that are available. It seems like you have to go back to the start there. There was no back button, which was weird. You get yourself a beer here, Heineken there, normal 5, large and grande, which is €6.50. It's quite expensive, but you've got to think, if you're coming up here, you're paying for the experience. Yeah, you got loads of drinks available. Let's look at my porn star martini. Lovely. And yeah, you soak up the amazing vibes up here all night long, literally. Wow, how nice is that? That sunset is beautiful.
Una musica mi cantante para ti. Hey, hey, hey. Today was gonna be the day, but I'm gonna throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do.
What more can you want though? Lovely cocktail, awesome views, and a brilliant singer as well. Amazing vibes up here tonight at the Hard Rock Hotel in Tenerife. It really is wonderful, and they've got the ambience perfect up here tonight. Here we go, I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. Oh, I'll tell you what, can't get any better. A bit of George Ezra. Look at these crazy dancers. Oh, I love it. Like a someone. Woo. Hey, it's the Hard Rock Hotel mirrored dancers. Look at these.
Put your hands in the air.
Woo.
Let me out, man. Reach for the sky. We go side to side.
Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. Oh, these are awesome. It's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. Here we go. I'll be riding shotgun. Oh, Mum's gone for another cocktail now. Strawberry daiquiri. Oh, hey. Oh, there you go. Lovely. Another €13 one, I think that. Look, you're paying for the atmosphere, the dancers and stuff. It's nice, isn't it? Oh, I love it up here. Perfect vibes. Absolutely epic. Would definitely recommend on a visit to Tenerife. George Ezra, everybody. Sweet Caroline. Oh, oh, oh. Good times never seem so good. Oh, I love it up there. Brilliant. Are we human?
Can I hear you singing?
Or are we dancers? Side is vital. My hands are cold. Quite warm actually. Oh, it's nice this up here. Are we human? Or are we dancers? Oh, here we go. Oh, what a vibe up here. Everybody sitting around the fire. Hard Rock Hotel in Tenerife. Absolutely fantastic. Would definitely recommend. Awesome views, great cocktails. And what a vibe. I love it. Doing a right little boogie over here. Looking for the answers. What are we? Are we human? Or are we dancers? Hey. Well, that was absolutely amazing up there. Oh, I loved it. The views, the live music, the cocktails, brilliant. And yeah, you don't need to be staying here to go up there. You can just come up the elevator and yeah, get some epic views and enjoy the bar. But here we go, back down now, have a little look around the lobby, and then we'll wrap up this vlog from the Hard Rock Hotel in Tenerife. Here's a look then at a costume that was worn by Katy Perry, yeah, back in 2012. There you go, dressed as a mermaid. Well, these are really cool. Look at the spinning light fitments just here. There we go, over the tables in one of the restaurants. Yeah, that's awesome. Never seen anything like that before. Oh wow, this looks really magical. Look at all the balconies sparkling. See, they've actually got LED lights built into all of the balconies. And yeah, that's awesome. She was right on the top of that tower, just on the 16th floor. Yeah, that is amazing. Like, I love it. And yeah, all the lights around here as well, all sparkling. Oh, really quite magical. Oh, there's the lift going up again. Hey! Brilliant. Yeah, look at the sparkle. Oh, that's very cool. I love that. So you got the Rock shop just over here as well. Unfortunately, it's closed now this evening. Yeah, it's just gone 10 o'clock. But yeah, you can see all the merchandise that they're selling there with the Hard Rock Hotel on. Very nice. So you've also got the stage here in the lobby, and yeah, it looks like there's going to be some more live music starting in just a moment down here. So yeah, of course, if you are staying at the Hard Rock Hotel here in Tenerife, loads of entertainment. Yeah, this is very nice in here. However, up there on the roof, that's where it's at in my opinion. Well, there we go then. Have you enjoyed your night here at the Hard Rock Hotel?
Yeah, really good. I really enjoyed that.
Yeah, bar was awesome, wasn't it? And the atmosphere up there was great. How was your cocktails?
Very nice.
Yeah, you're paying for the view, aren't you, up there as well? You know, cocktails at a lot of places are about 10 euros. These were 13. You're paying about 3 euros for the view and the entertainment. Well, that's worth it in my opinion.
Yeah, it was very nice.
And your beer was nice as well?
Yeah, nice beer that was.
Yeah, not too bad, about €6.50. So again, a few euros more than you're paying another bar, but that's the main thing. Well, there we go, my wonderful mum and dad again, here on Adventure Sean. Well, there we go, that wraps up tonight's vlog here on Adventure Sean from the Hard Rock Hotel in Tenerife, and I would definitely recommend a visit. I'd like to stay here, to be honest. Yes, it is a little bit further out from the big resorts. However, it's very nice. You've got the beach club, you've got the swimming pools, and yeah, it's lovely at night. The atmosphere is brilliant, and you've got lots of different entertainment. I believe they've got live bands on some nights on the stage as well. And then, yeah, you've got the awesome 16th floor bar that is brilliant up there. A brilliant night here at this fantastic hotel in Tenerife, and thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, check out the other videos on the channel. You can find them in the Tenerife playlist here on Adventure Sean. And coming up next, gonna be going metal detecting with my wonderful dad on the sandy beaches. A nice morning metal detecting session. It's gonna be a good laugh. Let's see if we find any treasures on the beach here in Tenerife. That leaves me with one final thing to say. Get out there, have your own adventures. See you in the next video.